First, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been. Oh.
Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is BlancaEstela and welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. I do upload 3 times a week, so you guys don't want to miss out on my 3 videos a week, you know. In today's video, I'm going to be using my Nubian palette by Juvia's. I haven't used this palette in a while, so I decided to use it today. So it is going to be kind of like a more natural look today. I've been doing a lot of colorful or bold looks in my videos. So today I wanted to focus on a more natural and kind of like a nude look. So that's why I decided to use the Nubian palette today, because it does have a lot of neutral shades. And it is just a really pretty palette. I already primed and set my eyelids. I'm going to go ahead and start off with, I'm going to go ahead and grab my brush. This is my Mikasa brush number E300. And I'm going to go ahead and dip this into this shade right here. And this is going to be my transition color. This one right here. So I'm just going to dip it in there. I'm just going to use this as my transition color. And I'm going to put it in my crease. But I'm also going to bring it up to my eyebrow like I do with all my transition colors. Just so it can be easier to blend out the other shades later on. And then with the same brush, I'm going to dip into the shade next to it, which is this one right here. This one right here. And I'm going to put this in my crease, but I'm not going to bring it high like I did with the other shade. I'm just going to keep this in my crease, just to start adding a little bit of color. And these shades are pretty pigmented, so you don't really have to go in like at least more than twice, because you do get a lot of pigment out of these eyeshadows.
Second, don't you tell me what you think that I can be. I'm the one at the same time.
Now I'm going to go ahead and take a pencil brush, and I'm going to be taking my, if I can find it, my Mikasa brush number E310, which is a pencil brush. This one right here. And I do want to add a little bit of a definition to the crease, but I don't want to add a lot. So I'm just going to dip the brush in a little bit to this shade right here. This one right here. Since it is pretty pigmented, I'm going to dip into it and then really tap it off. And then I'm going to apply this to the outer V and then bringing it to the crease. So I'm going to start off on the outer V of the eye like this, and then slowly bring it into the half of the crease. And I want to focus this on this part right here, on half of the crease and on the outer V. So that's what I'm going to do right here. And I'm going to be applying this shade until I get the darkness that I want on there. Does that make any sense? And I'm not going to bring this to this side of the crease, just because I do want that to be a little bit more lighter than the rest of the eye. So I'm just going to keep it like this. And then to like kind of blend it out, instead of blending it this way, I'm going to blend it out this way. Just because I really don't want none of this shade on this side of the crease. Just going to keep it on the outer V. And then to really define it a little bit more, I'm going to dip into this darker shade in the corner of the palette. This one right. And I'm only going to focus this on the outer V like this. I'm not going to bring it in like I did with this darker, with this other shade. I'm just going to keep it right here in the corner of the eye and bring it to half of the crease as well.
The master of my sea, oh, the master of my sea, oh.
And then with the same brush that I used first, I'm just going to blend this out. And I'm going to do this in circular motions, because if I go back and forth, I'm just going to bring it to the other side of the crease, and I don't want that. So I'm just going to do this in circular motions like this. And I didn't put any extra product on the brush, just whatever is left on there. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some shimmer eyeshadows to my crease. If you haven't seen any of my videos, I put the dark shimmer on this side of the eye, on the outer view of the eye, and then I put the lighter one on the rest of the lid. I'm going to be grabbing one of my flat brushes from Shop Miss A. This is their AOA Studio brush number E122, which is a small flat brush. And I'm going to wet it with some Fix Plus first. Just like 2 spritz. And then I'm going to dip this into this dark shimmery shade right here. And I'm going to apply the shimmer shadow on both sides of the brush. And I'm going to put this on the outer V of the eye.
Right on my poems for the few that looked at me, took to me, shook to me, feeling me, singing my heartache. From the pain, taking my message. From the veins, speaking my lesson. From the brain, seeing the beauty through the...
Now I'm going to get another another flat brush. This is also from Shop Miss A. And this is their AOA Studio brush number E123. Which is just a larger flat brush. And I'm also going to wet this with Fix Plus as well. And then I'm going to dip this one into this shade right here. I'm going to put it on both sides as well. And I'm going to put this on the remainder side of the lid. Now I'm going to get the same brush that I used the other shimmer eyeshadow for. And I'm just going to bring the brown one with no extra product on the brush. I'm just going to bring it over the lighter shimmery shade just to blend that out. Just to really blend that in together. Like that. And I'm going to do the same thing with this one. I'm just going to get whatever's left on the brush. And I'm just going to bring it on top of the darker one. And that really blends it out. For eyeliner today, I'm going to be using my Fierce Flicks eyeliner by Ciate London. This one right here. I'm just going to go ahead and wing it out.
Tell me why this one always comes out thicker than this one. It comes out better too.
Third things third, send a prayer to the ones up above. All the hate that you've heard has turned your spirit to a dove. Oh, ooh, your spirit up above. Oh, ooh.
For primer today, I'm going to be using my e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer. For foundation, I'm going to be using my Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation.
Right on my poems for the few that looked at me, took to me, shook to me, feeling me, singing my heartache. From the pain, taking my message. From the veins, speaking my lesson. From the brain, seeing the beauty through the...
For concealer, I'm going to be using my Shape Tape by Tarte, and this one is in the shade Light, which is way too light for me, but I still use it. To set that, I'm going to be using my Airspun. This is a translucent one.
First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been.
To contour today, I'm going to be using my Hoola Bronzer from my Cheek Parade palette.
And the way that things have been. Second, don't you tell me what you think that I can be. I'm the one at the same. I'm the master of my scene.
And I'm also going to contour my nose with the same bronzer. But I'm going to be using my Moda brush number 804 from their prismatic brush set.
The master of my scene. I was broken from a young age.
And then to blend the nose contour out, I do dip into the Hoola light that's underneath the Hoola bronzer, and I just use it to blend out the nose contour. Because since it is too light for me to use as a bronzer, it's kind of like a face powder to me. So I just use it to blend out any contouring. And I also like to use it to clean up the contour right here too. I just get some on the brush and I just go underneath it like this. And that really helps to clean it up. And then for blush, I'm going to be using one of the blushes from the same palette. I'm going to be using the California one. This one right here. I'm just using my big fluffy brush to apply this. This is from Danya. I got the brush set for Christmas. And I really like these brushes. They're really big. Before I do anything else, I'm going to go ahead and finish my eye makeup. I'm going to smoke out the bottom lash. And to smoke out the bottom lash, I'm going to be using the same shade that I used on my crease. Not the first one, but the second shade. And then underneath that one, I'm going to do what I did on the lid. I'm going to put the shimmer eyeshadow down here, the dark one. And then the light one on this side of the eye. And I'm going to be using 3 brushes for this, just because it is going to be 3 colors. So I'm going to be using 2 of my clean color brushes. Pencil brushes, I have 2 of these. I'm going to be using both of them. And I'm also going to be using my AZEREDO Cosmetics brush number 105, which is another pencil brush.
So into the message, writing my poems for the few that looked at me, took to me, shook to me, feeling me, singing my heartache. I'm the pain, taking my message. I'm the vein, speaking my lesson.
Then in my waterline, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Lasting Drama Waterproof Gel Pencil in the shade Soft Nude, which is this nude eyeliner right here.
The brain, seeing the beauty through the
I'm going to spray my face with some Fix Plus first before I do the rest of my makeup. Just going to... just a little bit. And I'm going to use my Superhero Mascara by AZEREDO Cosmetics on my lower lashes. This one right here. For highlighter today, I'm going to be using my Nude Rose Highlighting Palette by AZEREDO Cosmetics. This one right here. I'm going to be mixing these 3 shades right here. I'm just going to dip into all 3 and just apply that to my face.
Send a prayer to the ones up above. All the hate that you've heard.
To eyeliner my lips today, I'm going to be using my NYX retractable lip liner in the shade Pink Nude. Or Nude Pink, sorry. This one right here.
Just turn your spirit to a dove. Oh, ooh, your spirit up above. Oh, ooh.
And then for lipstick, I'm going to be using my Milani Amore lip cream in the shade Loved. This one right here.
Hey, you made me a believer. Hey.
And then then on top of that, I am going to be applying a lip gloss. And this is one of my favorite lip glosses. This one is from AZEREDO Cosmetics. And this one's in the shade Buttercream. Which it did come with a set of lip glosses, which I believe is no longer available. Which is pretty sad because I really love this lip gloss. So when it runs out, I'm going to be really sad. But it is really, really pretty.
Let the bullets fly, let them rain. My love, my love, my God, they keep pain.
And this is the final look right here. I really enjoyed doing this look. It is really, really pretty and I love how it came out. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial.
I have lipstick on my teeth.
If you did, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And you guys can leave me suggestions down in the comment section of videos that you want to see from me. I have a lot of ideas, but I do want to know what you guys would like to see on my channel. So if you have any suggestions, please comment down below. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time, bye guys.
To the masses, writing my poems for the few that looked at me, took to me, shook to me, feeling me, singing my heartache from the pain, taking my message from the veins, speaking my lesson from the brain, seeing the beauty through.